Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reply comment on your post with video on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to open up my profile. Okay, then I'm going to choose one of my posts on TikTok. For example, I'm going to select this post and I'm going to reply comment on this post. I'm going to go to the comment section. All right, and this is a comment from my friend and I'm going to reply it with video. We can tap on the comment and then we can simply click on this video icon to reply comment with video. Okay, and the comment will be added to your video guys. You can take new video or record new video by clicking on this record button, or you can also upload a video from your gallery. For example, I'm just going to reply it with video from my gallery. I'm going to choose this one and then I'm going to click on next. Okay, and the video will look like this. The comment will be added on your video. Okay, and then before you upload the video to your TikTok, you will be able to edit the video. If you want to edit the video, you can go to the edit section right here. Okay, then here you will be able to add sound and then add sticker, text, or it's up to you. You can edit the video according to your needs. You can also add a effect to your video. I'm just going to add this one. Okay, and you can keep adjusting or keep editing until you're satisfied with how it looks, and then you just need to click on next like this. And wait guys, I'm going to check it again. All right, it's perfect. And then once you're ready to share the video with the comment, you just need to click on the post option and then the video will be posted on your TikTok account. Okay guys, and that's all the way to reply comment on your post with video on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.